operations on functions. Now, we are going to use multiplication. I have here three functions. We have f of x is equal to x plus 9, then g of x equals to x plus 1, then we have h of x equals x minus 4. Okay, so we are going to get now the product between our given functions. We have to remember, class, that if we are going to get, let's say, the product of, let's say we have f multiplied by h of x. This can also be expressed as the product of, we have f of x multiplied by h of x. Okay? They are just the same. Now, simplifying this, we are just going to replace your f of x by the value given. So our f of x is x plus 9. X plus 9, then multiplied by h of x, which is equal to x minus 4. In simplifying this, we are going to use our FOIL method. Okay? What does FOIL method stands for? F stands for first, O stands for outer, then I stands for inner, then L stands for inner terms, or last terms, I should say. So we have first, outer, inner, and last terms. Now, to multiply this, we are just going to distribute, okay? So distribute x times x. That's the reason now. You have to know your lowest exponent, okay? So we have x times x. You write here x times x, okay? So that can also be termed as your first term or first terms. Then plus we have x times your outer terms. So we have x multiplied by negative 4. Then next we have here 9 times x. So we have plus 9 times x. Then next 9 times negative 4. So we have plus 9 times negative 4. So x times x, we have now your x squared using your lowest exponent, the first one, okay? Then we have plus negative 4x plus 9 times x, that's 9x. Then we have here plus 9 multiplied by negative 4, that will become minus 36. Then next, we are going to combine like terms. So here, as you can see, we have x squared. X squared doesn't have any pair because we have here x, which is raised to the first power. So we are just going to copy here x squared. So x squared, then we have minus 4x plus 9x. This is equal to plus 5x. Then just copy your minus 36. So that's the answer if we're going to get the product of f of a h of x. Okay, so the product between f and h. So we have x squared plus 5x minus 36. How about if we are going to find out the product of, let's say we are going to get the product of f multiplied by g of x. Okay, so this can be expressed as, we have f of x multiplied by g of x. So here we have f of x that is equal to x plus 9. So we have x plus 9, then multiplied by 2x plus 1 as the value of g of x. So we have 2x plus 1. Okay? Now let us distribute using your FOIL method. Okay, using your FOIL method. So I'll change the color so that you would easily see it. So your x will be multiplied to 2x. So I'll write here. So x times 2x. That is known to be your first term. Then next will be your outer terms. Let us use red. Okay, so here we have x multiplied to 1. So plus we have x times 1. Then next would be your inner terms. Let us use blue, your inner terms. So we have 9 times 2x. So plus 9 times 2x. Then next, we have here, let's use green. So we have 9 multiplied to your 1. So 9 and 1. So these are the last terms. So we have plus 9 times 1. Let us simplify further. So we have here x times 2x, we have 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared. Then, of course, x times 1, that is equal to x. Then, we have here 9 times 2x, that is equal to 18x. Then, 9 times 1, that is basically equal to 9. Now, let us combine. So, we have 2x squared here doesn't have any pair. Okay, so we are just going to copy it. 2x, then x plus 18x. This is a pair of like terms. So we have here the sum between x and 18x. We have 19x. 19x because here coefficient of x here is 1. Then plus 9. So that's the answer. We have 2x squared plus 19x plus 9. Okay. Then let's have another example. What if we have f of x is equal to, let's say, 3x squared plus 8, then g of x is equal to, let's say, minus 6x cubed minus x. And we are going to find out the value of, let's say, the product of f and g of x. Based on our first example, we can express this as well as the product between your f of x multiplied by g of x. Okay? So let us just replace or substitute the values of f of x. So we have 3x squared plus 8 multiplied by minus 6x cubed minus x. Okay? Now, we are simply going to use our distributive property, or you simply using your FOIL method. Okay, so first we have here, we multiply this. We have 3x squared multiplied by minus 6x cubed. Then next, let us multiply 3x squared. 3x squared, multiplying it using your minus x. So you write plus, then we have 3x squared times minus x or negative x. Then next, let us again multiply our inner term. So we have minus 8 multiplied by minus 6x cubed. So we have 8 multiplied by minus 6x cubed. Okay? Then lastly, we are going to use your last terms. So what are your last terms? We have plus 8 multiplied by minus x. So we have 8 multiplied by minus x. Now, simplify further. We have here 3x squared minus 6x cubed. We have minus 18, right? 3 times minus 6 minus 18. Then x squared multiplied by x cubed. Using law of exponent, we have x raised to the power of 5. Correct? Then next, here, 3x squared minus x, that will become now minus 3x cubed, right? 3x squared multiplied by minus x will become minus 3x cubed. Then, the next one, we have here 8 multiplied by minus 6x cubed. That will become now minus 48x cubed. Then, 8 multiplied by minus x, that will become minus 8x. Okay, simplifying this further, we will have now the value or the result. We can combine your similar terms. These two, we can combine this. Okay, we can combine the two. However, your minus 18x raised to the power of 5 doesn't have a pair or other terms with exponent 5. So we are just going to copy minus 18x raised to the power of 5. Then here, minus 3 minus 48, that will become minus 51. Then just copy your common base, which is equal to x cubed. Then copy your minus 8x. So this is now the answer. Okay?